John Lund Unleashed presents the Caboose pistol.
Wedged in the crack of her
Oh,
buttocks.
Caboose pistol. Everybody has one.
Did you just say Caboose?
I know some woman who could hide a machine gun in there.
Everything big always starts small.
Yo, listen, you hear that? Killers in the jungle.
This is the world's first ever sperm race. This is Asher from UCLA versus Tristan from USC. Two legends, one microscopic racetrack. The battle for whose sperm is the healthiest, the fastest, whose swimmers will win the race. Friday, April 25th, live on spermracing.com.